Good morning.
Good morning.
That's a good sign.
Morning.
Good morning. We're going to start with the second movement of the last duo. So give that a quick review, and then we'll move on to the next something. And I think this morning I will do cello part first. So our same tempo. One, two, three. Good deal. All right. So now I'll play the violin side. Everybody gets a chance. Hear it both ways. One, two, three. So, I know that time I really didn't observe the hold, but ideally that'll make it easier for you guys to practice with. We are going to move on into the next movement, as promised. So, violins, this is one that I really wish I had an E string, but I don't want to switch cellos midstream. So, sometimes when I'm going up to those C's and those E's, ideally everything is going well for you, even if something weird happens on this end. I'd like to do about 8 measures at a time, and we'll do the violin part first. So there's a shift to third position in the second measure, and that if you shift back in the next measure to first position and then back up, then you can have the same color by keeping it on the same string, or if it's easier you can go across. I obviously am not going to be doing the fingerings as observed. So, first 8 measures, I'm going to keep the same, hopefully safe 8th note speed. 1, 2, and 3. Don't worry, we'll do that again. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. I really did practice that. Another again. 1, 2, 3. That's more like it. Alright, I've lost track, but we'll still do it another again, and then I'll switch over and play the cello parts. First 8 measures. 5, 2, 3. I'm going to stop at the same spots. First 8 measures. 1, 2, 3. So cello players, you've got a shift to second position in measure 3, and then in measure 8, you're going to third and a half position on that G sharp. 1, 4, 2 will be third and a half position, and then you'll be back to first. Any fingering, marking, planning going on here. Give it a moment. First 8 measures again. 1, 2, 3. Again. 2, 3. So our new starting spot is going to be measure 9, and we'll do 9 to 16, and I'll be cello part first. 1, 2, 3. Again, measure 9, 2, 3. Another again, 2, 3. Alright, so switching over to the violin side, although you guys are more practiced ahead of me. Measure 9, 9 to 16. 1, 2, 3. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Alright, we'll be doing that again as well. Alright, measure 9. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so putting it together, we're going to go back to the beginning and go up to measure 16. One, two, three. Same amount again. 2, 3. Cello side connected together. Measure 1 through measure 16. 2, 3. So we're going to start at the repeat sign, which is measure 17. So if you want to mark that, that'll be a starting spot for a while. And we're going to do 17 to the end of measure 24. And I will do the cello side first, since they have notes in that first measure. So measure 17, 1, 2, and 3. So we're back at 17 again. 2, 3. Again, 2, 3. Good. So we're back at 17. I'll be playing the violin part, so I can remember my plan. So cellos, I will count to 1, 2, 3. You will start, but you will hear nothing in the violin part for the first measure, just so you know. 1, 2, 3. Alright, back to 17. 1, 2, 3. Again, 17. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so I'd like to do 17 and keep going into the next 8 measures or so. And so we'll get to the first ending, but we won't take the repeat. We'll just play the first ending and stop. So 17, 1, 2, 3. Assume that made sense. I'm going to make sure I do that with the cello part. So we're going to do 17 and take the first ending. One, 2, 3. the second ending. One, two, three. Once again, 17, take the second ending. One, two, three. Nice job. Alright, so let's try 17, take the repeats, and then stop on the second ending. One, two, three. Alright, 17, take the repeat, stop at the second ending, last thing, 2, 3. Hooray! We're started. Hopefully there's no questions. So next time we will work more on this movement. You can expect that. This is your chance to say anything you need to say.
Thank you for class.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
Get you everyone inspired to practice.
This is a cute movement.
Yeah, it is pretty nice.
What's your metronome marking right now?
76 for the 8th note. It seemed like it would make it feel quick-ish, but still be practicable.
Mm-hmm. I don't think there's a movement in there I don't like. They're all super.
Well, excellent. It's nice that I picked well.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good week.
You too. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.